try to understand why students copy. That is the basic reason what teacher has to understand. According to me, first examination of a child, maybe in the first standard, maybe in LKG, UKG, now even Montessori, they do, examination. Okay. When we start doing it, they will, first attempt, they are sincere. They are sincere. But what we do, we will keep a distance, 6 feet distance, social distancing in examination. Then we start invigilating. That is how we treat first time. What does it implies? I don't trust you. That is how it implies. I don't trust you. On the first examination of a student, I am trying to say, that is when people start, oh, this is how examination works. Why we are kept apart? Because we are not supposed to discuss. That is how it starts. But in real time, in real life, how we are solving the challenges of the life problem? We are discussing. We are deliberating. Yes or no? We are trying to find a solution together. But in examination, how we are doing? We are not copying. If you copy, why they copy? Now the concept is what? Concept is open book test. Hope all of you are aware. Open book test. What does it mean? In real life, nobody will give you a 3 hours of question paper and you are going to write it. It's a real life challenge. Use any resource, whatever you want. Try to find solution for this problem. There is no copying aspect. But this copying starts at first standard or second standard. The mentality, how it grows. After some years, even though they want to write on their own, if teachers are not there, even intelligent of the intelligent student will copy. Am I right, sir? Yes or no? What happened was, once I did experiment in my post-graduation classes, I asked, this is the question paper, I will give it to you and I will go out. People have said, how come you can go out? That is the question. Why? It's a post-graduation class I am talking. I said, I will go out, show your sincerity and integrity, you write. They said, no sir, you don't go out. I asked the intelligent top, why, what is your problem? They said, no, you can't go out sir, you don't go out. Why? This is the question. Even though it was against my university rule, I am not supposed to go out. Okay, but what happened? The mentality is, if there is nobody observing, there is a chance that I am going to copy. That is how we have developed our students. That is the basic problem. Now, this is the system. Okay, we started invigilating. They tried their best to copy. It is just a Tom and Jerry game. And that Tom and Jerry game continued. They graduate and they acquire certain positions in the society now. They are the citizens of this great country. What they do? If nobody is observing, they will do something what they are not supposed to do. That is what is happening. You see any scamster, they are the high qualified people. You look at their qualification. I don't say education. You look at their qualification. Why? That is why I say that for this country, whether you consider a farmer or a labor, a true farmer, I am telling, a true farmer or a labor, they have not created any problem for this country. They are contributing to the economy, they are contributing their best, they follow the ethics and they have fear of God at least. God is watching. But as qualified, we know that God is also not there. It's a bluff. So that is where the problem starts. That is Bangalore University. We have 211 colleges. Conducting examination is a humongous task here. Why? Because we have centralized everything. Why we have centralized? We don't have trust. On whom? Teachers. See, I said about copying. Copying will not stop there. What happens in colleges, for example? We start invigilating. Correct, na? University will send the squad also. Why university is sending the squad? Why? Because they don't have confidence on teachers and colleges. What kind of education or moral we are teaching or preaching? That is where we are going wrong, friends. That is where we are. We have to trust one another. We have to build that trust. Unfortunately, whatever I am talking, sometimes some people may feel that, sir, this is only theory. It will not happen in India. Why? Because we are used to it. We like it. Please think differently. Whether it is possible, it is possible. As I said, I have good international experience and exposure. I have taught and I have evaluated students from foreign countries. I know that, for example, my experience with France, Germany, and some Malaysian students, even though you give the question paper and go out, they will not copy. Can we expect that? Can we expect that from Indian students? When it happens, that is the day of NEP complete implementation. Please note, as a teacher, if my student is writing exam on his own, even though I am not doing invigilation, that is the day when we can say that this policy is implemented fully. Can we do that? Is it possible? It is possible. As a teacher, we have to build that in the classroom. And what we need to do? We need to change mode of evaluation. This mode of evaluation is the basic problem, I said, you give me 3 question paper, 4th question paper students will give. That is why they copy. You tell them, take this question paper, go home tomorrow and get me the answer. Can we set question paper of that kind?